President Emmerson Mnangagwa has made a rare admission about the dismal state of Zimbabwe's public healthcare system, describing it as disheartening and in urgent need of reform. Sarabena mashoko obuda panguva ino mutungamiri wenyika aiwa achizouya panguva ino achibvuma kuti the healthcare aiwa yenyika yeZimbabwe panguva ino yava mucondition inotosiririsa zvinhu zvakabvira zvichitaurwa nevanhu decades of years ago. Not possible subscribe or like on the bell. Speaking during his opening remarks, the Zambia's 384 ordinary session of the Politburo in Harare on Wednesday, Mnangagwa said he was personally disturbed by what he witnessed during a recent tour of Harare's major public hospitals. Recently, I had the chance to tour the main public healthcare facilities here in Harare. It was disheartening that the situation was allowed to deteriorate, he said. While calling for urgent corrective measures, the president fell short of taking direct responsibility for the crisis that has unfolded under his administration. Instead, he challenged all stakeholders, including government departments, the private sector, and ordinary citizens to work together in rebuilding the sector. Despite leading a government long criticized for underfunding healthcare services, the president's remarks signal a recognition of the deep-rooted dysfunctional Zimbabwe's healthcare systems. He has been plagued by crumbling infrastructure, chronic drug shortages, underpaid staff, and an exodus of skilled medical professionals. Critics argue that mere calls for cooperation are insufficient without bold policy shifts and increased budgetary commitments from the very top. As one health union leader put it off record, we won't need statements, we need action. The government is the biggest stakeholder and must lead the serious investment, not rhetoric. Mnangagwa's comments may be viewed as a rare public concession, but many believe the time for words is long past. With the hospitals in crisis and ordinary citizens bearing the brunt, pressure continues to mount for tangible reform in Zimbabwe's healthcare systems. Tomashwa rubuda panguva ino pamusoro pemutungamiri wenyika nemaremarks akapa yesterday in the Politburo. Pina comment section medu dzimafungiro enyu mutikudiwa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like up, on the bell icon.